whoever got me sick, you can really go suck your bum clap mama. Cause no way am I sick right now in Jamaica. Like, I'm freaking dying. Like, oh my god. Do you hear my voice? Like, it's bad.
Yeah, when you just stick it down then?
Like the bugs one. Bugs are nice, but yeah, that can't flex for a night time.
Can't find out. Can't go to the good time. No phone.
Jerk chicken on the side of the road. Good morning, guys. I think my dad is up. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Gal D, and I'm back here with another banger, of course. So that's the fit for now because, first of all, this is not what I had planned to wear together, but because this is such a beautiful view, I'm going to the river. I don't know. But guys, I'm going to the river. That's what it's called. So I'm guessing it's an actual river where may I go to. I may I climb everything like that. I'm gonna tell everybody say may I speak patois for the rest of the trip because that's what may I go do, you know? But yeah, my view is so insane and it's so hot, y'all. Like, it is so hot. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. I'm not trying to be too loud because I don't know if anybody's sleeping still or not. So I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, I'm sorry if my voice is a little raspy. I don't feel too good. My nose keep running. Yeah, whoever got me sick, like I said, suck your mama. And yeah, it's so nice out, y'all. I'm definitely gonna get darker. I already know it. But yeah, y'all. I will get back to y'all when I am doing something. I feel like if my face seems a little ashy, y'all, it's because I have sunscreen on and it kind of makes my face a little ashy. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I do something. And yeah, Happy New Year's, y'all. I'm here in Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm here in Jamaica, y'all. And yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. But I'm in Jamaica. I'm living it up. While y'all stuck there in the cold, I'm here living it up. Period. But bye, y'all. So guys, I don't know where we at. Where are we? I don't know. But up here, bush. Oh. Alright, y'all. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm gonna just go with the flow. But it's really pretty over here, y'all. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Gal D, and I'm here back with another video. And I just redid my intro because I feel like earlier this morning I was just mad tired. And yeah, so Let's hope that I don't see no bugs. Where'd they go? Let's hope I don't see no bugs because I can't do that. I don't know where they went. Oh shit. But yeah, y'all. So I'm wearing this because we're going in the river, so, and I can hear it from here. But we going in the river, and I have my bathing suit under this, which I have a cover up, but they told me to just put on shorts and a shirt. Yeah, I forgot to pack a nightgown. How I forget to pack pajamas? So I just be wearing anything to sleep, honestly. But no dumping along the river. Swim at your own risk is crazy. This is a video. Go over some more. Alright, y'all. So I just put my cover up over because I'm about to go into the river. Yeah. I just had a shot of rum with soda, and when I tell you my stomach is burning, I ain't eating on it all day. Oh shit!
Listen to me, you can't watch me arm. You got me sauce.
I'm back.
With some sauce. Yes, sis.
Come step down, step down.
I don't know about this. This water is cold, y'all. It's mad clear though. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me take my shoes off. Oh, you're bugging. Y'all, the water is so clear. Let me put my finger. Yo, this water is cold, bro. place, Devin's house, where they sell ice cream. It's very famous over here, as you can see. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so fancy in here. Yeah, this is my ice cream. I got pistachio, one cold. Look at my chickens. Class. Yo, it makes expensive. Yeah, this is good. What's in here? Not too much. Not too much. Let me see yours. Yeah, I feel like I got mad dark. Thank you. Yo. Y'all, look at this fucking view. Oh my god. Huh?
Come out, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I could do it right here. Alright. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. It's like you can see the whole Jamaica from here.
You can get some more.
I'm recording, so.
You put that on the vlog, eh?
Of course. This is so beautiful. Imagine seeing the sunset and the sunrise. This is so beautiful, guys.
Yeah, this has been my view.
This is what?
This has been my view.
Oh. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car. I'm at Pizza Hut. I'm waiting for our pizza. And they're taking mad long. Like, in New York, you know, that thing would have been ready in 5-10 minutes because, yeah, that's why the food don't be good for me. But I heard the Pizza Hut and Domino's out here is so much better than the one in New York. So I'm gonna give it a try, tell y'all how it is. But we got 8 minutes until the New Year's and we're not gonna make it back home. And they're stressed out right now because we're not gonna make it back home. We've been sitting here since 12:30 and we ordered before, I said 12:30, 11:30, and we ordered way before the time that we came. Like, this is just crazy. They slow. But yeah, I'm enjoying my time, even though it's literally the first day, but I'm still enjoying my time. And yeah, we should see what's up next. But yeah, I've been trying to upload, but this thing will not save. I don't know if it's because of my Wi-Fi, I don't know, but the one time that it did save, bro, the freaking watermark was still there and I took it off, bro. Like, I should have just kept it. But yeah, I'm trying to upload, so please, I'm sorry, stay with me, stick with me, like, and mind my business, drink water, I mind my business. Nighttime is a little chilly, but you know, we get through it. But I just want to wish everybody a happy New Year, and God bless you all. And I hope that this new year you become a better you, and any goals that you want to accomplish, you're able to accomplish. And remember, never believe the word no. If that's what you want, go for it, okay? And no more toxicness, no more none of that. No, it's a clean, fresh start to a healthy everything, y'all. But later, love you. Bye. 3, 2. Happy New Year! We driving on that reckless. Oh my god!
Oh, good.
I'm over here doing backflips in the corner.
This is
Oh shit! Oh wait. Are they doing fireworks? Oh shit! I'm doing backflips in the fucking back right now. I don't even know where my shoes are. I'm having the time of my life right now. Damn, we got back quick.
about 12:01.
Probably. Or 12:02. Oh my god, yo! Yo! Look at the fireworks, yo! Didn't hear no gunshots.
What do you think? What do you think those are?
Oh, really? Shit. Oh, I think I just heard one. Guys, we're back. Y'all, they firing gunshots for the new year. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Blessed.
Family, love, prosperity, and health, wealth,
We're on the ready to
more
drink
love,
it.
more night, and more blessing.
Amen.
Blessings are coming.
Thank y'all.
Can't drink from us, but nobody else.
Bubble up, bubble up. Bubble up, bubble up.